At one point I had 9 refrigerators in my house.
That's pretty cool.
And we had turned, which is now our dual office, which would be like your front great room. It was a room with 7 refrigerators. I had one in my garage and one in my kitchen, and then this big piece of plywood on 2 horses that I'd package all the food on, and then I'd put them in all the refrigerators, and then up on one wall I had all this like commercial like storage that I'd put all the containers and dry storage and rice and oatmeal and all the stuff in my room. And then like just every week I was all the logistics of all the groceries and the clients and their deliveries and all that. And it was just like, my husband's like, what are you doing? You got to get this out of the house. Like,
I was going to say, you're still in the house.
This is becoming like a little operation, Jillian.